Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video I want to talk about three stocks on which I want to raise caution on their price action. Now, some of were already showing the weakness, but some of them, for example, the one that is on my screen, SoFi, its price action, the way it was yesterday was looking good, but the way it is today is definitely a zone and a price action of caution. So three stocks I have. The first one is SoFi, and you all know about all these three, but you don't know what those threes are and why there is a caution that I want to raise. Okay, the first one, SoFi. Well, so what's going on with SoFi? Well, so as I talked about, and I have been talking about it through the earnings, before earnings, after earnings, and everything. So we did find a bounce at $15.70 or 60 cents area. That the bounce came, and yesterday I was super excited to see it give us on a lower time frame a good confirmation. Now, it's all about trading with the structure, and once the structure loses, we gotta size out or we gotta get out of the position if the structure breaks. Now this was the area, $16.27. We broke out above it, intraday strength came, and what I like to see is just a follow through. Intraday strength came, but then on the swing, the more confirmation was above $16.70 area and the blue box up on the top. And this is what I talked with the members as well in the members only video, that extra confirmation is above this $16 to $17, sorry, $16.70 to $17 range. And I don't like to see, if once we start to see intraday strength, I don't like to see the structure break the very next day. That's what happened on SoFi. SoFi is no longer intraday in a bullish structure. And on the swing, it's right at that cautionary area in the zone, because we have lost a significant level, one of those also $15.90. And SoFi right now is in a very problematic price action that this may result in a lower high. When that happens, well, as soon as we lose this demand zone that we formed after earnings, which was one of the key important criteria for me to see that intraday rebound as well. So that's supported. However, the way today's candle has closed is worrisome. If we start to lose this $15.60 and come down this, if we don't see a bounce around this demand zone around $15.30 area, it will definitely make a next leg down. All right. So right now, what I'm saying is that we are lacking strength in SoFi stock price action. Intraday, the bullish confirmation that we got is no longer there. Structure has broken. All right. And so if we have to turn around bullish again, well, we first have to stay above $15.62 from where we are. And we need to at least get above this significant level of $15.90 first to start to push some intraday strength into it again. And then again, it's the waiting game of seeing where the higher pivots would form or some more strength would come. Otherwise, no. Just be cautious. SoFi has lost the structure once we lost $16.27 again. All right. So it's in the problem. All right. The next one I have is Microstrategy. Now, Microstrategy, I have talked a couple of days ago as well, and I did mention that it's in the weakness. Let's turn on the structure on this thing. So it's already red from here on. And I mentioned that, guys, yes, the weakness is coming, and we are at just the last area of potentially breaking this. Oh, well, that's a very bad way of drawing the channel. It's at the very last stage of breaking this channel. And we did break, and now we are also seeing that little bit of a rebound that tried to happen. It just got rejected, and the way this candle has closed, let me actually zoom in. I'm not sure how small maybe that candle is looking like there. So yeah, the way we have closed it, it shows me that it wanna go down. And now what do we do? Well, technically it's negative. It's not in an uptrend, neither on intraday, not on the overall structure, unfortunately. As long as we stay below 356 and 25 cents now, it's just downtrending. This is the resistance zone, recent significant level resistance zone, I mean to say, okay? So, and this is where it has been rejecting lately after already breaking the structure with this candle, as I just showed you on my tools, all right? So yeah, everything is not nice. It's again, it's bearish overall. My dashboard is also telling us that bearish, 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 right? So yeah, well, MicroStrategy has a room to fall down to, well, as long as it's below 355 and 93 cents is bearish, and the room will again level by level, but recent levels I would be watching like 285 is a possibility on this as we drop. So as long as we stay below $355. All right. So just keep an eye on this one. It's a caution. Caution in a way, well, it was already getting weaker, but now it's just getting weak enough that it just feels like it's one of flush. All right. So yeah, from the intraday perspective, if intraday rebound has to come, well, we'll have to get above 338 the very next day. If we do that, well, intraday rebound is coming, but below 355 overall structure is not going to become bullish. We'll see if it gets closer here and forms higher pivot. That's a different story. Right now, price action is telling me that it has more likelihood of coming down. All right, it's looking negative. The third one I have is SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI. Let's talk about this thing. Now, I have already talked about this with the members. That's why sometimes you would see on my charts many more areas of drawings or importance, or in other words, blue boxes that I like to put for the area of influence. And pretty much as we have been staying below the blue box, we are negative on SoundHound AI, and below 15 and 70 cents, we are just bearish on this thing. All right. Yeah, there is no point in looking for an uptrend, and a rebound, if it has to come, well, we'll have to see a hold of $13.40. But the way the price action is right now, it's negative, it's weak, and it's bearish. All right, we'll have to see if the strength form, and for that we'll have to take a look at the intraday. Is the strength forming? No, we rejected today as well, right? So right at that zone of the blue box. So no, there is no strength right now. If strength has to come back again on this, well, we'll have to start to get above this blue box again. And then eventually $15.70 is where the confirmation is. Otherwise, no, it's weak. And yeah, level by level, sure, this is the level $13.40. And we'll see if this time also it gives some bounce. But we'll see intraday. But right now, there is no sign of uptrend. Intraday and overall structure is also negative on both fronts on SoundHound AI. Alrighty guys, these are the three stocks I have for you. Alright, and that's all I want to talk about. Anyways, if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye.